Hi, I'm Carrie with BTOD, and today we are going to be unboxing the ErgoChair 2. This is how your chair will arrive if you buy from Autonomous. It weighs about 65 pounds, and you may need help or use a dolly when transporting it. Let's get into this unboxing. Flip the base upside down and insert the casters into the base. Insert the cylinder into the base. Next, identify the armrest. There is an L on the bottom of the left armrest and an R on the bottom of the right. Tighten the aligned bolts and washers into the holes on the base using a screwdriver. Place the control mechanism onto the top assembly. Push it into place following the direction of the arrow in the manner shown below. Place 2 bolts and corresponding washers into the chair and tighten. Place 3 screws and corresponding washers at the points shown below to bind the chair back to the seat. Lower the seat onto the cylinder. Place the headrest at the top of the seat back. And that was the unboxing of the ErgoChair 2 by Autonomous. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. And if you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching.